everybody! Pie. Who likes a pie? I think everybody likes a pie. Well, most people like a pie. I like a pie, so I'm going to cook a pie. Not a pucker pie, just cooking a pie. I'm going to do minced beef and onion. Yeah, so let me show you what we're going to do. Right, I've got my puff pastry. I've got one big red onion. I've got some minced beef. Bit of garlic. I've done 2 garlic cloves. 1 egg for the wash. A stock pot. And I've got some brown sugar in the cupboard, which I'll get out in a second. Nice minced beef and onion pie. And I'm going to do it in these. So I'm going to basically do a fried bentos. That's what I'm going to do. Fried bentos, minced beef and onion. I should have really, which I didn't think of. I should have bought a fried bentos, minced beef and onion as well, but I never. So I'm just going to do this. So first things first, we're going to get all this fried up, browned off. Bring you over there. We'll get the pan on. Right, pan's off, get me mincing. I'm not using any oil. We'll get all that mashed up and browned off. Right, that's all browned off. I haven't put any salt in it or anything, because you do get quite a lot of salt in these stock pots. So, taste and go as we go along. Get that drained out. Right, I've drained that out. I'm going to turn that down a bit now. I've left it in my colander over there. Just if you can see, you can't see, can you? Let me show you. Over there. Don't put your fat down the sink. Oops. There we go. Right, first things first, I want to get my onion in. My red onion. I'll put my garlic in a second. And then a teaspoon of brown sugar. Just to caramelise it all. Lovely. Put my garlic in now. Onions aren't done yet, but get your garlic in. You know, 10 seconds or so to fry up. Fry up. Oh, I'd love a fry up, I would. Oh, I haven't fried for a while. Oh, that'd be nice, a nice little full English fry up. Right, now you want to drop a brown sugar. Just a teaspoon, or maybe 2, depending. That'll do. Get all the onions covered. That sweet caramelisation on it. Gorgeous. Right, now I'm going to get my mince back in. Get it in there, give it a mix. Say, put some herbs in it if you want to. I'm not, but you can. And I've got 300 ml of hot water with a stock cube. We get all that in. And we're going to simmer that down now. Well, I'm just going to taste it, see whether it needs any season. Got salt in it, you can taste the salt. I know what I might do. I might stick some Worcestershire sauce in it, why not? Get it in. Take it that next level. Right, I think that'll do, because you want a bit of gravy in there, you don't want it too dry. Give it one more quick taste. Oh yeah, that's better now with that Worcestershire sauce in it. Worcestershire sauce. Right, got myself a plate, my baking tin. They're only narrow, these. I thought it was a bit thick, bigger than that, but obviously not. Got my stuff, it's cooled down a bit now. I'm going to get it in. Shame they're not thick, bigger. Butter hey up, doesn't matter, does it? Up, getting that in there, don't lose it. There's that, smells nice and it tasted quite nice. I've done myself some egg wash. And now we're going to get the pastry. It's been out about 10-15 minutes. I did put it back in the fridge while the stuff was cooking and cooling. You know me with pastry, I'm absolutely useless. So this will be another fun one. I'm going to get a little bit of egg wash around the edge there first. I haven't done pastry for ages, have I? Probably because I'm no good at it. Then we'll get some this on top. So we'll get it level-ish. There we go. I'll cut that off. Like so. Take that off. There we go. Now I'll get myself a fork. I'm not very well organised today, again. And we'll go round like you do. And then we'll trim it. I'm just trimming it. I've never done it like this before with a knife like this. I know people said it's easier. And it is easier, isn't it? I usually just use my scissors. You can't even see that, can you? Cherry pie. Oh, a cherry pie. Ooh. There we go. Something else I've learnt with use the back of a knife. I can't remember who it was who told me that ages ago when I've done pastry before. Right, let's egg wash all this over. Well, thank you for that anyway, whoever it was. I suppose you all probably know. But me with pastry ain't no good. Ain't no good. They'll probably all shrink this. That's what happens usually with mine. All collapse and everything. And double check that bit there. Get that over. And I want some holes in the middle. Put a cross in. There we go. One pie ready to go in the oven. Minced beef and onion. Put it in for about 20 minutes or till it's risen, I suppose. Right, it's cooked. I'm up the table. I haven't showed you yet. I'm going to show you now. Now, for you new subscribers, thank you very much anyway. Thank you so much. And that's tucking into word before you start. Can you hear that crunch? Listen. Me and pastry don't get on. We've never got on. I don't know why. I just don't get on with pastry. So let me show you what it's like. Right, I've done myself some roasters. Nat absolutely loves my roast potatoes, don't you, Bab? She got a bad belly, Nat has.
I burnt myself.
Oh, you burnt yourself? Is that what you've done? Eating too quick. Bless you. Right, here's mine. I mean, here's both of them. Got some greens there. The pie's massive. I did do two. So I've got two out of that mince. Now, my pastry, if you look at the side, it's boiling, I've got to be careful. So it comes away a bit there. Why is that? Yeah, but why is it shrunk? That's my question. Nat has extra gravy, look. Nat loves the gravy, don't you, Bab? Absolutely love your gravy, don't you, sweetheart? She has loads and loads, and Nat does. So when I do my pastry, why does it shrink? I haven't got a clue, but all the time. Now you see how I cut it properly to the edge with a knife and everything, but it's still shrunk. I don't know. But it still looks nice. What's it taste like, Bab?
It tastes really nice.
Does it taste really nice?
Minced beef and onion is my favourite.
Minced beef and onion. And there's the roasters. Gorgeous.
Tastes really nice.
You love my roasters, don't you? Does that taste nice?
Yeah, it's lovely.
There's inside Nat's, look. And you should put extra gravy on hers, obviously.
It's nice.
Nice. I'm going to cut into mine. Sorry guys, my voice, phone keeps playing up, keeps coming up, voice control. Won't let me record. So let me cut into mine. Listen to the crunch. Oh yes. Is it boiling up, Bab, is it? Or?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it is. Oh, yeah, you burnt yourself, didn't you?
Yeah. I always do that.
I'm going to take the pastry top off.
It's really nice.
Yeah, it's a bit dry under there, isn't it? I could have done with some good job. I made some more gravy. Oh, there's a bit in there, isn't there? There's a bit in there. Let me just try it.
It's nice without the gravy in it.
There it is. I've just had to update my phone. Just get updated automatically. It cuts everything off, so my food's gone a bit cold. So there it is anyway. Oh yeah, that's nice, isn't it?
It's lovely.
Mmm.
It's really nice.
Oh yeah.
Mm.
That's really tasty.
And you've not made it overflow neither with
No.
liquid, which is good.
Well, that's why I've done the extra gravy.
Yeah, it's really nice.
That's quite nice, isn't it, that?
It's not quite nice, it's lovely.
Yes, well, yeah, it is nice. Roasters are gorgeous. My roasters are really good, ain't they, Bab? I'm not just
Lovely.
blowing my own trumpet, but they are really good.
It's roast potatoes and short
And
onions.
yeah.
I like the red onion in here. It tastes nice. Actually, I prefer the red onion in this. It tastes really nice.
Nat said there's no way she's going to eat all hers. There's not a million years. Let me show you.
About 5 roast potatoes as well.
There she's, look.
They can stay there.
They can stay there, the greens. The greens can stay, Bab, eh?
Yeah.
The greens can stay.
I'm eating it.
You are tucking into that, ain't you, sweetheart?
It's really nice.
There's mine. I'm going to stick a bit of gravy on mine. Do a bit in the side. Whoops. Put a bit on. Bit of thick gravy. Not loads. I don't like loads and loads. I like a bit, but not loads. Now you're wondering, how much did that pie cost to make? Well, I've made 2 big ones there, haven't I? What's the fray bentos? About £2, innit? The whole lot cost me £4.10p, I think. But that was with the 3 onions, and you only use 1. So you'd probably work out about the same. 180, 280, 380. And the sugar, I didn't put the sugar in, but I had that in the cupboard. So for about £2.50 each pie, you might as well make your own, mightn't you? Bit faffing around, but tastes a lot better, doesn't it? Lovely.
It's lovely.
Lovely. I should have bought a fried bentos and then compared, shouldn't I? But never mind. Well, it ain't going to taste as nice as this. I know that much for a fact. Yum yum. Oh yes. Why not? That is really nice. You ate all yours. You've ate the lot nearly. I've had one little slice. I thought you wouldn't have ate all that, Bab.
Oh, I said I was hungry.
I'm not going to never eat all mine. Not in a million years.
I said I was hungry today. I did say earlier I'm starving.
But actually, now I'm looking at the pastry, it hasn't done too bad. Just a little bit at the edge there. I'd like to get it absolutely perfect, but... Oh, you probably can't see. It's a bit there where it's come away. I don't know why that is.
Did you cut it too short?
No, because I've done the knife trick.
Mind you, I don't know.
Around the edge.
I can't talk, so I cut more pastry.
I suppose, but never mind. I'm going to have another roaster. I am. Gorgeous, these roasters. Massive as well. In a bit of gravy. Get it in. Lovely cheap dinner. I mean, you wouldn't normally have a pie each, would you? It's only because I had the ingredients left. I've done 2. It was good job I did.
I was just going to say that.
Good job I did. You know, a couple of slices each of that for 4 here. Bonus. Do you think?
A slice for you and half for me.
A slice for me. A slice for me and the rest for you.
Yeah.
We could have done some Yorkshire pudding. It couldn't have been too much, wouldn't it?
That would have been way too much.
Yeah, it would have been way too much, wouldn't it?
This is just enough.
Yeah, it'd been way too much. Right, I'm going to go and eat it. Look! Look at it! Well, one slice, look. That's how nice it is with her.
I love, this is my favourite pie anyway, but this one's even better.
She's usually up the table half hour after me eating still, ain't you, Bab?
Yeah.
So, I'm going to go and eat it now then. As I say, I am the old food guy. Lovely minced beef and onion pie. Cheap as well. Probably make it even cheaper if you made your own pastry. Just a lot more faffing around then, innit? Till the next time, I'll see you later. Bye-bye. I even forgot to put my tuff in today, look. Bye. I've been out into town with my tuff in.
I didn't even realise.
No, not me. Bye.